Hi everyone, welcome to another CLDR preparation video on LabVIEW Advantage. Please pause the video if necessary to understand the requirement and then let us start. The question says, what will happen when the OK button and its reference in the main VI is replaced with double control and its reference as shown in the following code snippets? So if you observe very carefully, in the main VI, the Boolean control and its reference is replaced with the numeric control. So in this case, there will be no problem and the application will work properly because it is written in more scalable way. That basically means if you look very carefully between the Boolean control reference and then the sub VI, there is something called this function is basically the two more generic class. So two more generic class basically means the Boolean as well as the digital, both of these controls belongs to the parent class or the higher class called control. So in this case, since the whichever reference you have passed, it is being sent to the more generic class, that is the control. So at the end, even if you look into the event structure inside the sub VI, what you'll see is the output is basically read in terms of the variant. So in this case, there will be no problem and the main VI will execute and the one button dialog will display when the value of the numeric control is changed. So the answer is going to be C. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next CLDR question. Please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to turn on the bell icon to be notified for new LabVIEW videos.